Drone battery life: How to maximize flight time. Title: Drone battery life: How to maximize flight time. Introduction: 150 words. Drones have become immensely popular for various applications, ranging from aerial photography to surveillance and even delivery services. However, one of the major constraints faced by drone operato RS is battery life. Limited flight time can hamper productivity and enjoyment, making it critical to maximize the performance of drone batteries. In this article, we will explore various strategies ND tips to help you extend your drone's battery life and maximize flight time. 1. Understanding battery technology, 200 words. To effectively utilize and maximize drone battery life, it is important to understand the underlying technology. Most drones use lithium polymer, LiPo, batteries due to their high energy density and lightweight properties. LiPo batteries provide longer flight times compared to other options, but they also require special care to maintain optimal performance. 2. Pre-flight preparation, 200 words. Before taking flight, a few pre-flight preparations can significantly improve battery life. Firstly, make sure your battery is fully charged. This seems obvious, but it is worth emphasizing as it directly affects flight time. Also, examine the battery for any signs of damage or swelling before use. Damaged batteries must be replaced to avoid safety risks. 3. Optimal flight conditions, 250 words. Choosing the right flight conditions greatly impacts battery life. Fly your drone in suitable weather conditions, avoiding extreme temperatures or strong winds that can drastically affect battery performance. Additionally, flying at moderate altitudes puts less strain on the battery, allowing longer flight times. Ensure that your flight path is clear of obstacles to prevent unnecessary maneuvers that drain the battery. 4. Efficient flight techniques, 250 words. Adopting efficient flight techniques is crucial for maximizing battery life. Avoid aggressive throttle inputs and perform smooth, controlled movements. Practicing gentle takeoffs and landings reduces energy consumption. Additionally, using manual flight modes instead of relying on autopilot features can minimize unnecessary power usage. Learning to hover or fly in place minimizes energy wastage caused by constant movement. 5. Payload optimization, 200 words. Payload optimization involves minimizing the weight and power requirements of additional accessories carried by the drone. Lightening the payload can lead to longer flight times. Consider removing unnecessary camera equipment or accessories that are not essential for your specific flight mission. 6. Battery care and maintenance, 300 words. Proper care and maintenance of drone batteries are essential for their longevity and performance. Avoid discharging the batteries to extremely low levels, as this can damage them. Instead, recharge T battery once it reaches around 20% capacity to extend its lifespan. Regularly inspect and clean battery connectors and terminals to ensure a secure connection and efficient power transfer. 7. Battery storage, 200 words. When not in use, proper storage of drone batteries is vital. Long periods of inactivity can cause batteries to lose capacity. Ensure that batteries are stored in a cool and dry location, away from direct sunlight, and within their recommended temperature range. Avoid storing batteries in a fully charged or fully depleted state, as this can degrade performance over time. 8. Battery upgrade options, 200 words. If you find that even after following all the strategies mentioned above, your drone's battery life is still not meeting your requirements, consider upgrading to a higher capacity battery. Many drone manufacturers offer batteries with larger capacities that can provide longer flight times. However, be sure to check if the upgraded battery is compatible with your specific drone model and if any firmware updates or modifications are required. 9. Advanced Battery Management Systems, 250 words. Some drones come equipped with advanced battery management systems that offer additional features to optimize battery life. These systems monitor battery health, provide real-time information on remaining flight time, and even offer suggestions on flight paths and settings to maximize battery performance. If your drone does not have such a system, you may explore third-party options that are compatible with your drone. These systems can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions during flight. 10. Battery scheduling and rotation, 200 words. For drone operators who require extended flight times for specific tasks or missions, implementing a battery scheduling and rotation system can be beneficial. This involves having multiple fully charged batteries ready for use and swapping them out during flight to minimize downtime. By efficiently managing your battery resources and planning ahead, you can ensure continuous operation without having to wait for batteries to recharge. 11. Regular firmware updates, 150 words. Drone manufacturers often release firmware updates that include battery optimizations to improve performance. It is essential to regularly check for and install these updates to ensure that your drone is running on the latest software version. Firmware updates may address any battery-related issues, enhance flight algorithms, or introduce power-saving features. Keeping your drone's firmware up-to-date will help you maximize battery life and unlock any potential improvements implemented by the manufacturer. 12. Invest in spare batteries, 200 words. Having spare batteries on hand is always a good idea for drone pilots who want uninterrupted flight time. By investing in additional batteries, you can avoid the need to wait for a single battery to recharge before continuing your flight operations. This is especially useful when you have multiple flights scheduled or when you are on location and cannot access charging facilities. It is recommended to choose batteries from reputable manufacturers to ensure quality and compatibility with your drone. Battery upgrade options, 200 words. If you find that even after following all the strategies mentioned above, your drone's battery life is still not meeting your requirements, consider upgrading to a higher capacity battery. Many drone manufacturers offer batteries with larger capacities that can provide longer flight times. However, be sure to check if the upgraded battery is compatible with your specific drone model and if any firmware updates or modifications are required. When considering a battery upgrade, it's important to note that larger capacity batteries may also be heavier, which can impact the drone's maneuverability and flight performance. Therefore, it's essential to strike a balance between flight time and overall drone capabilities. Before making a purchase, research different battery options available for your drone model and read reviews from other users to ensure you are selecting a reliable and high-quality battery. If you have any concerns or doubts, consult with a drone manufacturer or a professional who specializes in drone batteries. Remember that upgrading your battery is just one aspect of maximizing flight time. It is equally crucial to follow the other strategies outlined in this article and practice good flight habits to get the most out of your drone's battery life. Advanced Battery Management Systems, 250 words.